Hello and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Haley. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Today, I got this. This is the Revlon Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. So, the power of a dryer, volume of a styler. I wanted to do a review on this. And I'm gonna try to use it on camera too after I take a shower because it goes, you style your hair while it's wet. Okay. So try to open up this box. It says it's got a cool tip and oval design, tuft bristles with bore technology, unique air vents, lightweight ergonomic design and multiple heat settings. Professional swivel. All about that professional swivel. All right. What am I doing, Jackson? Am I being loud? This thing looks pretty intense. This thing is pretty large. I wasn't expecting it to be this big, but I guess I should have, considering the box that it's in. Whoa. That thing's pretty cool. Yeah, and it's kind of like square. It's like squoval. It's like square oval. Hold the volumizer for 2 to 3 seconds. I'm really excited. So I will see y'all after I take a shower. I'm not sure when that's gonna be, you know, because you just never know. Yeah, and then we will use this and hopefully it's a winner. By the way, it was $60 basically. It was like $59.99. But I'm hoping that it works good. I'm excited. Okay guys, so it's the next day. I'm sorry about the angle. I'm still working on getting my ring light fixed. So yeah, this is what we're working with. It's probably uneven because it's sitting on top of the towel. That's what it is. Okay, so we are going to be testing this out. I'm so excited. Jackson's playing in the background. That's what that noise is. I was going to do this earlier, but some stuff came up and I wasn't able to. So I took a shower and let my hair air dry and then I re-wet it. But really what you're supposed to do is just towel dry your hair a little bit and then use damp hair before going in with this. I haven't used this yet, but let's go ahead. I'll roll up my sleeves, you know, because this is business. Okay, and this is how you turn it on. It has off, cool, low, and high. So I'm gonna start off. That's low. That's high. Start off with low. And make sure that you brush your hair first. I wanted to tell you, it's not this that's making it very hard to go through my hair. My hair is very tangly because I only had a little bit of conditioner. So yeah, that's not this is problem, that's my hair's fault. Okay, so far so good. It's looking amazing. This is without any products in my hair too at all. I would go through it with either the low setting or the high setting, whichever works better for you, and then set it in place with the cool setting, because that takes away some flyaways and really locks it in place to the style and the hold that you want. And by going in layers, that's so much better. Definitely go in layers unless you just have super thin hair. It just gives you more control, and it just lets you just have control and delay it how you want it to. Conclusion, for my first time using it, and for me to have not done it properly because I re-wet my hair, I think it is absolutely amazing. My hair is so smooth, it's not flat to my head. It looks like I got it round brushed, and I definitely could have made it have more volume, but my hair is just a little bit tangly right now, so I wasn't able to get as close. But this thing is amazing. I think once I get the hang of it, I'll be able to get my hair done in less than 10 minutes. And it looks so good. So this is the Revlon One Step Styler. It is a blow dryer and a straightener in one, $59.99. I highly recommend it. I cannot wait to use this all the time. I can now take showers in the morning. Who am I? But I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much if you stayed around and stuck till the end. And I hope that if you get this, you will leave me a comment and let me know how you like it and what hair type you have. Thank you guys. Have a great day.